Hi friends, today we have hoodies from woolen neoprene. Very nice fabric, wool in the composition. He is double-sided with us. Prepared patterns. And start cutting. Be sure to observe the direction of the grain line. Seams we will perform with edging. Therefore, all control. Notch. Put chalk. But not cut. The seams will be finished with a slash edging. In the color of zipper. Zipper picked up contrasting. Metal. On the blue ribbon. The trim will go very well with this color of neoprene. Now we will cut. Obliquely under 45 degrees. For edging to cotton fabric. She is very comfortable in work. Sure. Iron zipper. The zipper may become shorter with steam treatment. Therefore, from to sides. Sure, good. Need to iron the zipper. On our underboard, so that the fabric does not stretch. Be sure to stick. Edge. This is edge from glue fluzzoline with fixing stitch, which does not allow stretching allowance. Details. And when sewing on the zipper, will be more stable. The edge is glue. Sew the trim to our cuts. Folding face with detail face. And stitching along the entire length of the cut. Then we go to the iron and iron our edging. We won't have finishing strings by edging, so we iron it and immediately bend it. We get a clean cut without finishing seams, without stitches. When grinding to parts, second cut of the edging will fall into the seam and will be secured with a finishing stitch. Prepared cuffs. Cuffs, uniron allowances. Fold in half and harvest these parts. Neoprene is very comfortable in tailoring. He has a very good form stable structure and it allows easy to learn. Work qualitatively with the product. In general, for beginners, very, very comfortable fabric. She's not stretching, she doesn't deform. It is very convenient to sew. After rubbing stitches, allowances must be ironed at every stage. Those seams we have are rounded. Ironing with a special block, not to deform our products. We have shoulder stitches rounded. Their shape is round, so we take a special block, round shape, and iron our allowances. On this one, spherical block, to keep form, so that our product does not deform. After ironing, we will waste sewing. This is how we got it. Stitch the hood. Stitched finishing lines. So it turns out. There are no extra lines on the edging. Next step, we need sew sleeves into armholes. Sewn trims. Also, he was edged. And before sewing the sleeves, we will process the pockets. Front pockets we will have with leaflets. Iron armholes. Pockets sewn. And also be sure to walk. Ironing in small areas to not deform the armhole. The top of the sleeve is also on round. Block ironing. Ready, we have pockets, and now we will edge them. Braid. Well then, side seams. We have remains. Edge your pockets. Sew the belt and the hardest thing. Sew zipper. Together with the hood. This is how we turned out. Handsome hoodie. Hole with edges. Beautiful inner look. Clean. Without overlock. Cool hoodie. My favorite. Fabric very pleased. Warm, cozy, comfortable in any weather. Woolen. Good form. Very trendy thing. Everyone, buy.